OpenWRT versus pfSense. Which open source network OS fits your needs? When building a custom router or firewall solutions, OpenWRT and pfSense are two of the most popular open source options. OpenWRT is a lightweight Linux-based OS primarily for routers, offering flexible wireless and networking features. On the other hand, pfSense is a free SBSD-based firewall router platform designed for powerful security and advanced networking. Here's a quick look of how they compare. So let's start with OpenWRT. This is a highly customizable Linux distribution for embedded devices, especially consumer routers. It unlocks advanced routing, QoS, VPN, and wireless controls beyond stock firmware. OpenWRT supports a vast range of hardware and has a rich package ecosystem. Pros: runs on many consumer routers, highly flexible with tons of packages, great wireless support and mesh networking, lightweight and efficient. Drawback: setup can be technical for beginners, limited GUI compared to pfSense, mostly focused on home small office use. pfSense, on the other hand, is a powerful firewall and router OS based on FreeBSD, geared towards enterprise and prosumer users. It offers robust firewalling, VPN traffic shaping, and detailed monitoring. pfSense requires dedicated hardware or visualization, but provides a polished web interface. Pros: enterprise grade firewall and routing, rich features like IDS, IPS, VPN, and captive portal, user friendly web GUI, strong community and community support. And also drawbacks: so requires dedicated hardware or VM, steeper learning curve, and no native wireless support. It does require external APs. Final thought: so choose OpenWRT if you want a lightweight, wireless focused OS for routers, especially for home or small office use, or choose pfSense if you need a powerful enterprise level firewall router with advanced security features.